Maybe you are looking for the right business to start, or you already have a business, a service, a product that you're selling, but right now people are no more interested in your product, and you're asking yourself the question to know why. In this video, I'm going to help you find the right business to start because I'm going to talk about the top 7 businesses that are booming right now due to COVID-19. And I'm inviting you to stick around because it's going to be special. Hi, my name is VK. I'm the founder of Real Village Academy. In this video, I'm going to talk about the top 7 businesses that are booming right now due to COVID-19. It's going to be short, but before I dive into the video, if you are not yet a member of our Make Money Working From Home community, I'm inviting you to subscribe to this channel. Subscribe to get the tips and strategies that we are using to make money working from home. And also, if you subscribe, make sure to hit the bell notification. That way, I will send you a notification every time I go live or I publish a new video on this channel. With that said, follow me and let's see together what are the top 7 businesses that are booming right now due to COVID-19. People's behavior have changed. A lot of businesses close their doors, and those who are still open are not making any sale. The change in people's behavior has made the traffic to go in a different direction. So if you want to start your own business, a business that is going to make you a full-time income, the business number 1 that you should think about is selling e-courses. And you may know the reason for this. People are stuck at home. A lot of people have lost their jobs and they are looking for a way to continue making money to pay their bills. And the first thing they are thinking about right now is to learn a skill that they can learn without leaving their homes because nobody wants to be exposed to the virus. And you believe it or not, e-learning is the solution for this. So if you can create a course that will teach people how to make money while being at home, or if you can be an affiliate and promote a course that will help people to learn a skill that will help them to make money while being at home, just go for it. People need your service. The business number 2 that's booming right now is delivery services. And this is obvious. People are not able to go out. And anything that they will buy right now will be over the phone or online. Whether they want to buy food, toilet papers, or medicine, they do everything online and they need someone to deliver those products to their addresses. The third business that's booming right now is selling medical products. Medical products that people can use to treat or to prevent diseases are the ones that are selling right now. You can see for yourself. Recently, how many times have you looked for masks or hand sanitizer to buy? You will not believe the numbers, but this business is one of the top 7 businesses that are booming right now due to COVID-19. The business number 4 that I'm going to mention is online gaming. Yes, we all have time right now and we don't know what to do. We are bored to death and we are looking for something to do to still enjoy life. That is what is pushing up the sales in gaming industry and in companies like Netflix. The next business I'm going to talk about is online dating. In addition to be bored, we've never been lonely as we are right now. People need to feel that they are still important and that there's somebody somewhere who is thinking about them. And because we are not able to go out, we turn our focus on our mobile phones, our laptop, and the internet, trying to connect with the people outside. This is what is making dating sites and apps get more traffic right now. Another industry that I'm going to mention is supplements. We've become more and more health conscious, and they are buying vitamins to boost their immune system, not for them alone, but for the whole family. This also needs to be delivered because they are buying almost everything online, which makes the delivery services more and more important. Business number 7 that's booming right now is software products. Being a direct consequence of our inability to go out, software like Slack, Skype, Zoom are noticing a tremendous growth number in their users. Those who are able to work from home are using Skype or Zoom to continue communicating with their co-workers. The same way, software that can help people start an online business are getting more customers. This is the case for ClickFunnels that almost every affiliate marketer is using right now to build their funnels or to build their opt-in pages. The same applies to email marketing software like Aweber or GetResponse that you can use to send automatic emails to your subscribers. I will have my affiliate links in the description of this video that will take you to each one of those products. And before I forget, if you need a course that will teach you how to build your own business online, how to make money working from home, the first link in the description of this video will help you to get access to that. Which concludes today's video. If you like it, go down and like it, share it. And if you are not yet a member of our Make Money Working From Home community, subscribe to this channel, like this video, and share it. I really appreciate your time. This is VK from Will Village Academy. I will see you in the next video.